how to make Wix website mobile friendly. If you want to make your Wix website mobile friendly, normally when you're on Wix editor, it will always give you the desktop interface and you have no idea how it is going to look on mobile. Well, fortunately, we have a solution for you. If you also want to customize at the same time how it looks on mobile, on the top left, you can see desktop preview and mobile preview. All you have to do is simply switch to the mobile preview like this, and when you switch to the mobile preview, it will take some time for the mobile version of editor to load, but just like that, you can see the mobile preview has also opened up, and you can customize this side by side. If you think this text right here is not actually for using, you can just add it at the top instead and add it at the top of this section instead at the bottom. If you think that it has been added in double lines like this, you might want to increase the size of this text and just add them in a single line. So you can customize them one after another just like this, as people would be able to see it, and you can always switch to desktop to see the changes between these two different interfaces. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.